A nut? Crash of a nut?
Oh gosh.
Oh, what? You find our neighbor. Lots of influencers said Apple Vision Pro is great for filming food-related videos. So we bring it to the Boiling Crab near UCLA, arguably the most interesting and messy food experience. We attempt to make a immersive mukbang in 3D spatial video only on the Apple Vision Pro. Here is what it looks like. We did not modify the 3D to make it more comfortable like in my Lake Tahoe tutorial, so what you see is what you get from the Apple Vision Pro. The close-up is going to make you cross-eyed, so I want to warn you ahead of time. Stay till the end and I will share some tips and tricks on how to film on the Apple Vision Pro.
Can I go to the travel price?
Oh yes.
Thank you.
What are you gonna watch or close?
Yeah, I'm filming her actually. If you do not have the Vision Pro, please follow this short tutorial on how to watch this video on MetaQuest 3. Now enjoy some seafood mukbang with us. Whoa, look at that. Yes. It's dirty.
He's putting the gloves on.
Oh. Scare me.
Not so good.
Oh yes, must be good.
Not good.
That look good in 3D.
I love this place.
What's that tool?
I don't know. It helps me get into this.
Wow. That in 3D. Oh. What's that taste like?
Crab. Or no crab legs. That's what it is.
Look inside the bag. Wow. It's crazy. There's a dead animal in there. What's this? Oh, whoa. You got squelch on that crab leg. Oh, time for some mukbang experience. Yeah, you open the bag. There's some shrimp. Oh. You're not supposed to eat the head. So good. So good. Thank you for watching. Let's review what you just learned. First, the close-up does not really work as it causes viewer to cross-eye. We don't see this problem as much on the iPhone 15 Pro Max as the IPD is a lot smaller than Vision Pro, so increase your distance at least double than what you used to shooting spatial video on the iPhone. Second, clean your lens before shooting. As you see here, right after I dipped my head into the shrimp bag, my right lens gets dirty. Close your left eye and then close your right eye and you will see the differences. This is the big no-no in stereo photography. So don't make the same mistakes. Wipe your lens. In this case, wipe your Vision Pro front-facing glasses before filming. Third, try not to move your head as much. Don't talk while filming. The stabilization is what makes your viewer motion sick. There's a yellow crosshair while you're filming to guide you with motion. Make sure the crosshairs stay in the circle in yellow. If not, stabilization is not going to work. Okay, I hope these simple tips help you with your next mukbang spatial video or just any spatial video filmed on the Vision Pro. In the next spatial video, we will compare the image quality of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, Apple Vision Pro, Canon EOS VR, and even the Coolcam Eagle. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and I will see you next time.